2017 Ford Mustang GT50 convertible in a sexy white with black wheels. And it's got the tow hook. Hopefully you'll never need it. More for just look. Anyways, converter, 2¼ pipe into a resonator, factory resonator there. Then he brought in his own axle back kit by MagnaFlow right there. And right there we installed it for him. And on these convertibles, remember guys, always check on the kits, make sure that they're made for a convertible, because they got this reinforcement right there in the middle, if you guys don't know, and it makes everything really hard to fit. Okay, so as you guys can see, we just put it on for him. It came out nice. It's a clean system, all bolt on right there. I would recommend a professional to put it in, not you guys. You can do it, but it'll take a lot longer. And here's the part number on it right there, MagnaFlow 19103. There'll be a link in the description. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it. There's the 2 axle back pipe that were on it that we cut off. And like always guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. 2022 Ford Mustang 50 Coyote, and he's got a pipe. Anyways, what we got done on it, we're gonna do it quick because we're busy. Factory converter. Then we true dualed it all the way back, no X pipe. There's the resonator that was there, we took it out. He wanted it as loud as possible. There's the rear mufflers that were on it. We cut them off and ran straight pipes. There's the valves. What we usually do is zip tie them away, as you guys can see. Leave them connected when you zip tie them, so they open and close so the car doesn't throw a check engine light on each side, okay? They need to be plugged in and connected, okay? So the car recognizes that the valves are there, because it will throw a check engine light if it doesn't, as you guys can see. And then we put quad tips out the back, black, to finish the look. Came out really nice, really clean. There's the resonator that was on it, dual in, dual out. We cut it off. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it that we cut off there. You guys are bringing them out. Right there, that's the 2 mufflers. That's the 2 resonators. All right, and that's what it looks like after. So hit us up if you guys need anything. We're located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. And like always guys, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button with a MagnaFlow axle back kit. Part number 19103. He's happy. What do you think? Yes?
I love it.
Yeah. That's what we like to hear. Now you can actually hear it, you know? Here's sound decibels. Right at 98.7. Again.
Has a German Trimic in it.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. It's so deep. It's nice, man. It's deep. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. 22 Ford Mustang. It's so loud. Needs an X pipe. It's too loud, right? You like it? Okay. Approve? Yes, sir. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 118. We need some V8s still in our lives before they go all electric. So we can keep making them look pretty like this. Beautiful. It's so this just sounds really nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Let's see what these ponies can do. I like the front lip. That's cool. Oh yeah. This sounds really nice. Nothing crazy, just sounds smooth. Ford Mustang GT Coyote 5.0. Fully straight pipe, other than the cats, of course. No X pipe, nothing. True dual straight pipe with quads. Sounds so good. Wow, that sounds really nice. I love it.